back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Here we go. 20 laps of distance here in the K1 race gear. Pure stock at Natural Bridge. First lap. Going into turn one. Ooh. See who leads lap one here. Can we get one in the books? David Brogan leads lap one here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Donald Cassis in second, third, Robert Tyree, the 08 of Jacob McCormick in fourth, and then rounding out the top five is the 17 of Braddock Pruitt. David Brogan still leading. Four laps down, David Brogan, your leader. Donald QC in second. Third, Robert Tyree. Fourth, the 08 of Jacob McCormick. And in fifth is the 22 of Matthew Hamilton. David Brogan looking for win number 2 here in the 2025 season at Natural Bridge Speedway. Donald Cassie has one win here on the season. So does Jacob McCormick. Robert Tyree still searching for one win here. But right now, back up front, David Brogan is leading 8 laps down. He will have to deal with the lap car of Jerry McDaniel here shortly. This time coming to the flag stand, it'll be halfway here in the K1 race gear pure stock. We're halfway. David Brogan, second, Donald Kissy, third, Robert Tyree, fourth, Jacob McCormick, and in fifth, Matthew Hamilton. David Brogan has pulled open to a 2.277 second lead over Donald Cassie. Freedom 40 late model feature, you're next. Late model, your feature is next. Robert Tyree trying to work on second place. Donald Cassie here in turn 4, working the bottom of the track. Best battle on the track is for second. David Brogan working by Andy Hunt, one of the lap cars here. David Brogan has just took off from the get-go of this feature. Coming up here, we got 5 laps to go. 5 laps to go in the K1 Race Gear Pure Stock. David Brogan is your leader. Donald Cassey in second. Third is Robert Tyree. Fourth, the 08 of Jacob McCormick. And in fifth is the 22 of Matthew Hamilton. David Brogan hunting the second win of the 2025 season. Lap traffic coming up for David Brogan, but 2 to go coming here shortly, 17 laps down. Lap traffic in the way here for David Brogan. We will get 2 to go here, 2 to go. 2 laps to go here. David Brogan just has to work through lap traffic, and he will get his second win here at the Natural Bridge Speedway in the 2025 season. 2 to go, still green out. White flag in the air this time. One more trip around the Natural Bridge Speedway for David Brogan to pick up his second win of the 2025 season. White flag in the air. Checkered flag in the air for David Brogan. Second is the 2K of Donald Cassey. Third, 11 of Robert Tyree. Fourth, the 08 of Jacob McCormick. Fifth, the 22 of Matthew Hamilton. Sixth, the 17 of Braddock Pruitt. Seventh, the 200 of Parker Flint. Eighth, the 26 of Max Link. Ninth, the 77 of Jeremy Fox. 10th, the 51 of Danny Tucker. And 11th is the 39 of Robert Moore. 12th, the 00 of Jerry McDaniel. 13th, the 241 of Andy Hunt. So once again, Natural Bridge Speedway, give it up for David Brogan. Fireworks show is coming up here now shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, late model, your feature is next. Freedom 40, your feature is next. We will do Victory Lane interviews with Street Stock Ben Hamilton, Pure Stock David Brogan after the late model feature winner, Victory Lane. So Victory Lane will be at the end of the night. So fireworks is coming up here now, Natural Bridge Speedway. So get your cameras out, phones out, and get ready for the fireworks show here at Natural Bridge Speedway. All right, for Pure Stock, David Brogan. So David, you started out second and then took the lead from the start and just went on.
Yeah, the track was good tonight, and I can't thank Michael Taylor, Aiden, and Logan and all their help. People don't understand how much time in him putting these cars. We work hard on them, trying to keep everything going. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Michael Taylor Racing, J&D Distribution, Trout Wheel Service Center, Reiner Rail, B&B Farm, Advance Auto, and all my family and friends. If it wasn't for them, I couldn't do it.
All right, here you have it for your pure stock feature here tonight, David Brogan.
And Fincastle Automotive out of Fincastle.
Okay.